One of the tools on the DocsTeach website is ideal for creating activities that introduce students to primary source documents containing historical data, particularly if you want them to consider the source of the data, its presentation style, and its intended impact. The tool is called Interpreting Data. As with the other tools, when using Interpreting Data to create an activity, your first step is to select a document or the documents to use. You might find that using the Browse function is particularly useful when identifying documents because it allows you to search by media type. And with this tool, maps, charts, graphs, and data work especially well. When you have found a document, or up to 3 in this case, that you want to use, click on the plus sign to add them to the activity, and then select Return to Activity in the top right corner of the screen. The tool will automatically bring you to the next step. This is where you drag and drop the document, then move on to step 3. At this point, you can add hints that will aid your students in their analysis of the document or documents that you've chosen if you wish. This is optional, but it can be very helpful. To add a hint, drag the document to the center of the screen, click on the particular location where you want a hint to appear, then click Add Hint. A text box will open for you to type the hint. When you close the text box, the hint will appear as a small box on the document, and you can move it wherever you like. When you've added all the hints that you want, move on to step 4. At this point, you can decide whether or not you want your students to complete a Consider the Source worksheet. If you do, simply click on Add this optional worksheet to your activity, and then you're ready to move on to step number 5. In step 5, you will write instructions for your students, both introductory ones and ones that encourage students' conclusions. Your final step is number 6. This is where the focus of your work is really for yourself, in capturing your objectives and procedures, and for other teachers who might be interested in also using your activity with their students. The amount of information you provide here is really up to you, but be sure to at least give your activity a title and give yourself credit for creating it by putting your name down as the author. You can save your activity at any point, and it will be available in your account. And when you're ready to make it available to both your students and to other DocsTeach users, and you've proofread and spell-checked everything, select Publish.